Hello friends, welcome to your channel Anything Anywhere, and this is your host Rahul. Today I'm very excited because today we will be visiting Niagara Falls, and that's one place which you will never get bored. So we'll go to Niagara Falls on the Canadian side, as you most of you might already know that Niagara Falls is right in between US and Canada. So we'll be going to Canada, looking at the Niagara Falls on the US side, right? That's interesting. Personally, this is my 15th trip. Yes, this is my 15th trip to Falls, and every time I go, I just have too much fun. I mean, you just can never get bored there. It's such a lively place, especially in the Canadian side. So yeah, well, why wait? Let's roll. Today weather a little cloudy, but hopefully we'll still get to see a lot of good pictures and falls and places. So let's do it. Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada is approximately 128 kilometers from Toronto downtown, and I would say 40 kilometers from Buffalo, New York. As you can see on the map, Niagara Falls is right in the center of the two Great Lakes, Lake Ontario and Lake Erie. So I'm right here at the falls, pretty close. And if you look at those buildings, right, they are actually in the US. So you cross the bridge and you go to the US. That's the Rainbow Bridge right there. So this is the bridge which connects US and Canada. Wow, look at this beauty. I mean, Niagara Falls is always beautiful. I mean, no matter from which side you see, I mean, it's always awesome to look at it. But I'm a little biased towards the Canadian side. I mean, and for a couple of reasons. One is you have a little better view of the falls, and two is Niagara City is really happening place. I mean, I'm going to show you guys a little later in the video. It's pretty awesome, and there's a ton of things you can do in the city. There are a lot of places to sit back, relax, enjoy your drink, and do a lot of fun activities with family and friends and kids. So it's really awesome. And if you look closely, there's a glass jack on the US side of Niagara Falls. Look at this. This is so pretty. Like, these boats actually go all the way, not all the way, but pretty close to the fall, and it's a great experience. So these boat rides are only operational in summer. Also in winter they just close these rides. Ticket cost is around $32 for an adult ticket.
Wow.
How do you like it?
It's amazing.
Is it your first time here?
Yeah.
You're from Canada? From
They just moved.
I'm sorry?
They just moved.
Oh, you just moved?
Yeah.
Nice. From where, India?
Dubai.
Dubai. Very good. So we are here at Clifton Hills. Clifton Hills really offers the most fun by the falls. Clifton Hill is Niagara's top destination for attractions. You will find plenty of restaurants, entertainment options, and more. And the good thing is it's really close to the Niagara Falls, probably one block to the Horseshoe Falls. So now we are going towards Niagara Sky Wheel, which is Canada's largest giant wheel. and this provides you the view like no other of Niagara Falls. And guys, trust me, you must try this. Now, and I'm going to take a stop, of course, and I'll show you. Look at that. This is Haunted House, one of my favorite places in Niagara City. It's beautiful. If you're sweet tooth, want to eat some ice cream. And there you go, Boston Pizza. This is a long time favorite among local guys. Forest Cafe, pretty popular spot here in Niagara Falls. Thank you guys. Looking for some nightlife and entertainment options, you are at the right place. Clifton Hills offer a lot of those, and they all are pretty close by, pretty much walking distance from each other. If you're looking to do some good fun activities, there are a maze of mirror, maze of lasers, haunted house, mystery get lost maze, quite a few attractions which you can buy. You can buy actually value pass and save a lot of money if you're interested to do something like that. In case if you're looking for a parking in such a crazy day like today, maybe this is the place where you can find parking. Travel Lodge. They have like $25 parking for 8 hours. So our last stop at Niagara Falls is Nightmare's Fear Factory. It's a haunted house. We heard it's pretty scary, so let's go and check it out. Nightmares. I'm here in the line of Nightmares haunted house. Let's go. Let's go. Can you hear the scream? Let's go and enjoy Nightmares. That's us. Honestly speaking, guys, that wasn't that scary, and folks told us that we should have went in a smaller group to get better scary experience. Maybe this is what we'll try next time. But for now, this is it. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe it if you did, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.